Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to combine three photo into one in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have a three photo. Click first image or first layer, then hold shift, click the last or single click, hold control, single select. Then right click on your mouse, convert to smart object or merge layers. Click. Now we can see this. Combine three photo into one. Increase the size, press Ctrl T, hold shift, click and drag it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.